Hello, boys and girls. So, do you still remember the summer study? And we did a lesson about 5W and H, and that's the one that's also in your discovery journal. So, if you remember that, this is kind of like the same thing that Dr. Hendricks was talking about, but in a kid language or in a for younger students. So this is what you guys did during the summer, and as you will see at the bottom of on your dashboard, at the bottom towards the bottom of your screen, you will see some other thinking maps. Okay, and like for example, this one we have blank thinking maps, and you can draw like this one. This is from Jonathan, and he drew and he put his notes. See how he drew his own thinking here. And yeah, so it's best if you drew your own thinking, if you draw, or it might be best to just get or grab a piece of paper, blank papers, and then you put your own bubbles. Okay, and then if you go to another one that is like for example here in junior, we can see a lot of people have created, have drawn. Like this one has some drawings. Of course, it's like upside down, but it has drawings. You can also fill it up, but it's best if you draw, because now you don't have a journals anymore. So what you can do is probably put like a bubble and put the scripture there, and you want to read around the memory passage. Okay, and then um, put the memory passage there, and start memorizing, and then put them together kind of like this. Okay, these are cross references about the important events in Apostle John's life, if you can remember. Okay, and then also like for example this one. See, I like how this child just put, I think this is from Evan, and I just like how he just grabbed a piece of paper and then drew however he understood it. Okay, so it's the same thing that what Dr. Hendricks was talking about. You can draw if you cannot type up yet, or you can just put your notes, any notes. There's no right or wrong. Okay, and I hope to see you next time in the next video. Okay, bye.